Metrogas S.A. is Argentina's largest natural gas distribution company, serving millions of residential and commercial users primarily in the Greater Buenos Aires AMBA region. It operates gas delivery infrastructure, billing, customer service, and related services under regulation by the Argentine Gas Authority, Enargas. In an ordinary shareholder meeting in late 2025, Metrogas renewed its governing board, confirming Tomás Córdoba as president and CEO of the company. Córdoba has been with Metrogas since 2020, with a background in finance and energy sector leadership. Paula Garbi was reconfirmed as vice president, and a mix of executives and directors now sit on the board through the current corporate term. This leadership continuity offers strategic stability as the company navigates tariff reforms and potential ownership changes. Metrogas released its financial results for Q3 and the first 9 months of 2025. Sales: ARS 366.3 billion, down from ARS 427.1 billion the previous year. Net profit: ARS 47.2 billion versus ARS 58.2 billion year-on-year. 9-month totals: sales of ARS 898.6 billion, with net profit ARS 106.3 billion. While profit was lower than the prior year for Q3, total revenues and profits remain significant, reflecting ongoing regulated gas demand despite inflation and cost pressures. Between February 2024 and February 2025, Metrogas stock appreciated strongly, around 139% growth, before facing some correction early in 2025. Bloomberg Linea Brazil. The company is described as being in the process of a potential sale by its main shareholder YPF, Yacimientos Petrolíferos Fiscales, which intends to concentrate resources in the shale gas region Vaca Muerta, but no final sale has been completed. Analysts see its valuation fluctuating with broader energy market conditions and regulatory decisions on tariffs and supply costs. Round pushpin: new national gas tariffs effective January 1, 2026. Argentina's energy regulator Enargas officially updated gas tariffs affecting Metrogas customers. R1, low residential consumption, ARS 3,514.29, Buenos Aires City, ARS 4,058.43, province. Much larger monthly charges, ARS 45, 00083, 000 plus. 4 high-use residential categories. These tariff adjustments are part of Argentina's broader utility tariff reform aimed at transitioning away from heavy subsidies while maintaining regulated service. Metrogas has proposed additional hikes of about 27%, residential low consumption, and 14% for industrial rates starting April 2026. Company representatives justify these increases as necessary to fund ongoing operations and infrastructure investments. Argentina is reforming public utility pricing and reducing broad subsidies for gas and electricity, part of a broader policy framework expected to continue into 2026. Upcoming reforms include new tariff segmentation systems with fewer residential categories and more targeted support, which could influence final consumer bills across service providers including Metrogas. A significant $100 million settlement was reached between Metrogas and the Chilean gas transporter TGN in 2025, in which Metrogas will complete the remaining payment by January 10, 2026, reducing legal and commercial uncertainties tied to cross-border disputes. Natural gas tariffs under Metrogas are increasing in 2026 due to regulatory rate adjustments and company proposals, with considerable implications for household and business energy budgets. Metrogas stock has seen strong past gains, though recent valuation corrections and a pending sale process by YPF make its near-term investment outlook tied to broader energy sector dynamics and government policy. Metrogas remains a key participant in Argentina's regulated energy market, balancing tariff reforms, infrastructure investment needs, and corporate governance continuity under its renewed board leadership. Tariff adjustments will remain a central issue for Metrogas customer relations and revenue base. Potential ownership changes, depending on YPF's divestment decisions, could reshape strategic focus and long-term investments. Regulatory reforms in Argentina, utility segmentation, and reduction of subsidies will continue to shape how gas demand, pricing, and infrastructure costs are managed. Metrogas shares trade on the Buenos Aires Stock Exchange with notable volatility but remain a major utility in Argentina. Investment outlook is mixed. Stable regulated revenue supports long-term utility characteristics, but political, regulatory, and macroeconomic risk in Argentina keeps sentiment cautious. Technical and fundamentals show the stock oscillating within a range, with potential upside if tariff reforms solidify and macro stability improves.